Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Disney Plus. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about Disney Plus and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.